Hey guys, welcome back. Jeff with Dena Threads here in Santa Maria, California. Just stepped into the warehouse. I'm gonna continue doing some work today on a Saturday. Just stepped into the, what I'm gonna be building out is the showroom for, let me see if I could turn this around real quick. Well, I don't know my phone. But anyways, this is gonna be the showroom. As you can see, a little space. That's what we call it, the den. So I'm gonna step into the actual warehouse. Two spots here. All right, so it's a little bit of a mess, but as you can see, we've got a forehead buried in over there, forehead buried in over here. Got a lot of work going on down here, on the walls. Little post bed set up to sew on leather patches or any type of patches on beanies and hats. Got our, we newly brought this laser in just so we can cut fabric, because we do a lot of applique, so we got that going on. It's coming along, you know. Got our workstation here. We plan to do some maybe heat press on some hats. We're gonna be bringing in a Stahls IQ 360 pretty soon. Got some orders here. Again, the forehead there. Just did this applique last night. More applique here, but it's a little bit of a mess in here today, so I'm gonna be doing some cleanup, organizing a little bit so I can, you know, I like my stuff organized so I can work a little better than having everything a mess. So stay tuned. Later on, I'll probably show a video of doing some applique and more hats on the forehead machine, and then we'll get to, you know, organizing the orders online and all that. So yeah, we're busy, man. Busy month this month, December. It's Christmas time. Everybody wants to get their orders in, so I'm real busy. So, you know, I haven't even started my Christmas shopping yet. I'm about to go later on tonight. See what I can find out there for the kiddos and family members out there. So, all right. So stay tuned for more videos on this channel and tutorials of stuff that I do on a daily basis at the shop. All right, Jeff at Dena Threads. I'll see you guys later.